tayo ulit. Every day we're walking along the golden cliffs. Ang ganda kasi ng view. So, ito another beach in Mars. There's a cave. Ito yung cave there. Another stop. Yeah. Gusto natin ng konti yung cave. Guys, oh. Yan. Yan. It's another cave. So we're going down. I think this is the end. I don't know. Quite close to the edge here. Right, guys. Yan. Ang ganda. Under the sunlight. Oh, it's quite steep. So ito, very ano siya, very narrow. You okay? This is what it's gonna be like. I don't think there's a rock gonna fall. It's very narrow. And very steep. Parang inside na siya ng cave. You look at cave, Dad, isn't it? Yeah, it's Monday, but I think there's a Monday, guys. So, nandito na tayo sa beach. Ayan, oh my cave. Ayan. So, ganun pa rin yung kulay, guys. Netflix. Gold pa rin siya. Pataas. So, ang ganda ng beach. Actually, oh. Ayan. Ang ganda, oh. Ayan, diba? Gold na gold talaga ang kulay. Maliit na itong beach, guys. Kaso lang yung surrounding niya, yung naka-ano. So ito naman yung sa gilid. Medyo dark. Hello guys, mag-explore tayo dito. Tingnan nyo guys, oh, orange na orange siya, orange red ang kulay. So, pasok tayo dito. May kunting open dito guys. You know, it's so scary. Pero, i-try natin. Mayroong ano doon, dito. Ito guys, oh. Oh my God, look at the step. Yeah, there's a step there. See, there's an open, guys. Ayan. So, there's a cave. It's open. Okay, guys, so. Ayan, guys, so. Ayan. Ang lakas ng weight. Oh! Look at this. Wow. Can see, guys? Guys, so nandito kami sa baba. Grabe, oh. Daddy George! Hawaii! Right. Tingnan nyo, guys. Grabe. Tapos ito yung ano, oh. Parang cave din siya. Grabe. Yan. Orange na orange siya. O, diba? Yan. Orange na orange. Grabe yung wall. Yan. Yun o, yung cave. Yung cave. So, yan. Grabe. Yan o, grabe o, sobrang taas guys o. Yan. Sobrang taas. So, ganito din yung dito guys o. Yan, and then up, right up there o.